everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will show you guys something which is very special to me and which is very close to my heart. So before I start my vlog, make sure you hit the subscribe button, tap on the bell icon and let's enjoy. Today I won't sit and create anything, rather I will show you guys how it was all started since 2004, and that time I was admitted to a nearby art school and it all started from there. That time I used to do circles, lines, waves, apple, banana, mango. Then after some days I started using watercolor painting, and this was my first ever watercolor painting. Then next a very special character entered in my life, and this character became my favorite and it stayed with me for so many years. I will show you guys who it was. And yes guys, that special character was cow. I used to draw cow in almost every scenery because that time I used to think that a cow completes a scenery, which was a big lol guys. After some days I started drawing human figure, and then that became my favorite. I made many portraits that time, and these sketches are during 2010 or 11 I guess. This was my first pen sketch ever. Well, that was just after the release of fashion movie, and she was Priyanka Chopra for me at that time. Here I guess I was supposed to write the politics of fashion, maybe. And the left one was Kangana Ranawat for me, I remember. I like her curly hairs though. That was when I was in standard 3, and this is so cute. Actually, I will always thank my mom and dad to keep this drawing so nicely. Well, she is Hema Malini and her 2 daughters, a picture from the ad of Kent RO Purifier. I don't know guys what I used to draw at that time. I was so stupid. Then I started learning paint. I learned paint in my brother's desktop, and trust me guys, doing that with a mouse was so difficult for me. But the best part is I have some printouts of my drawing. Oops, sorry. A picture of a boy and a girl dating, a flower, a white swan, which was pretty good. Now, in between, let me tell you guys, I was a huge fan of Justin Bieber. As you can all see, being a crazy fan of Bieber, a sketch of him was so obvious, and that was during 2011. And that's it. Hey, that's all for my today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed a small trip to my childhood artworks. I will definitely come up with my next art vlog very soon. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up to this, share this video, and don't forget to comment down below. Bye! See you later!